Whoa! So I just took delivery of my Q990C soundbar from Samsung. Just came in and looks like we got a nice little crease here. So it'll be interesting to see this bad boy in action. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rockefeller. I wanted to do a video regarding the Samsung Q990C. This is a new soundbar from Samsung. I have just taken delivery of this particular soundbar. I originally had the Q990B in 2022, and so that one started experiencing some dropouts in the rear left speaker unit, and so I decided to put my search on pause because I knew Samsung was going to be coming out with the 990C. But yeah, I mean, it's here today. UPS just delivered it. It'll be interesting to see today what Samsung is bringing to the table with their 2023 soundbars. Again, this is the Q990C for 2023. This is Samsung's new soundbar. And this here is the Q990B 85-inch. So I have listened to this particular TV with the 990B. With the Q Symphony, it was amazing, and so I decided to give Samsung another opportunity. So with that being said, let's get this unboxed. All right, here is the soundbar. It's wrapped up nicely. I don't really see any damage from the paper or anything. So let's see. Let's open it from one of the sides. You can just open it. This thing is nice and heavy, guys. Okay, so first thing that I'm seeing is that it is not black, deep black anymore. It is a gray, like a metallic, dark metallic finish. It does feel substantial. Got a nice heft to it. Q series soundbar Q990C. Wireless Dolby Atmos, 11.1.4 channels. Q Symphony. Here you have the digital audio in, the optical. Then you have two HDMIs. You have the HDMI to TV or ER port, and then you have the power button on this side. More styrofoam. Next we have what looks like the sub. Get out of the way. Okay. Also looks like there is a box, so we'll look at this box here shortly, and it came on the side of the sub. Okay, so we're going to look in here at the sub, which is the styrofoam is falling apart. Is what it is. Okay, and let's take a look at this sub here. All right, so guys, the sub, nice and hefty, a nice heft to it. Same, color, the same material. It's kind of like a dark metallic gray. It's not black. I don't know if I prefer the black over this or not, but it still looks very nice. Has a premium feel to it. And of course you can see the side profile here, the other side profile. And then on the back, you have the power and then the button to connect it. So this is the sub. All right, next we have the two speakers. These are the two rear speakers. Let's take a look at these guys. Okay, so same finish, same metallic finish. This is the surround speaker right, same metallic finish. And then here, hopefully, is the left speaker, which it should be. Yep, surround left speaker. So this is the one previously on the Q990B that I was having issues with, that was dropping out. It was getting worse. So hopefully they have improved connection issues so that we don't have to worry about dropouts and stuff, at least as frequently. So, but these are the two rear speakers left and right. That is it within the box. So let's take a look at the box that came on the side of the sub. Okay, there are some directions using the remote control and installing the soundbar. Looks like you have an HDMI cable. You have power cables, power cable, power cable. Okay, so these are just all the cables to the soundbar, subwoofer, and two of the rears. And there should be 4. So if you don't have 4, you are missing cables. So definitely check to make sure you have all 4. Here are 2 brackets to mount your soundbar. They are metal bracket. Okay, 2 metal brackets. And then last but not least, you should have a remote. Okay. Okay, here's the remote. It is not solar powered. Comes with a pairing button, power button, looks like a back and forth button, volume button, subwoofer, tone control, settings. I mean, it's got kind of everything you need to control the soundbar. So, but it is not solar powered, and it takes AAA batteries. So not AA, but AAA. And that's all that comes in the box. Okay. It also does come with some batteries in there. I don't know. If you get a secondhand, like a Best Buy return or something like that, you may not have these batteries in there, but it does come with some AAA batteries. All right, guys. So that about sums it up for an unboxing of the Samsung Q990C. And I hope you guys will stick around. I will have a review of the unboxing. I haven't heard anything just yet so far. I mean, it looks good. It's substantial. It feels premium. And I got a good feeling about this one. So hopefully they have improved the connection issues that I experienced before. And so yeah, stick around and we'll see how this sounds. And but yeah, this is the Q990C 2023 soundbar from Samsung. They're top of the line. Stick around, guys. I hope all you guys are doing well. Stay safe and game on.